Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add booking reviews for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is booking reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Let's sign up with a Gmail or Facebook or normal email. It's really up to you what you choose. Then just click login. You will get here in applications and you want to write here booking, right? So you're gonna see here booking reviews. So let's create a widget. Now you have option between choose the carousel, slider, grid. I would just leave the first one that I like most. Let's continue with it. And now you have option with the booking place URL, just paste it here. Header title, language, okay. Then you get like layout here, masonry, grid. And when you will have it, you can also change the colors. What you want to do is just copy the widget, copy the HTML, but before that, they will ask you for plan. And you can choose between the light version or basic or pro or enterprise. I recommend going with the basic or pro. It's like the best for like $5 a month or $10 a month. You can really choose which one you like or choose the light one. So when we have it, let's copy the code here and let's just add a code like here, code. Let's paste it, apply. Now just done and save. And here we got it. So what I would recommend is also add it to the play around it and try to put it to the middle. But just adding the spacer, I don't think the spacer is going to work as I want to, but let's just try something. Let's play around with it. Give me a second. If I put a wall here, that's not what I wanted. Okay, now it's bugged. Oh my god. But yeah, just play around it and try to add a spacer so it's in the middle. So add plus here, add, no, I don't want to add blank. So what I can do is to just, not image, summary. I'm thinking how can I put it to the middle? This is the way, but yeah, I got it. Finally, I'm really smart. I'm really smart. So this is how we do it. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.